Good morning everybody, Tracy here from Uniquely Creative showing you our new mini kit. It is ready, available on our website now to order. It's called Naughty or Nice and I'm going to show you what's in the kit. So this is the Naughty or Nice stamp, which is really cute, and it's got this cute little Father Christmases on there, and obviously there's his little Naughty or Nice list and some cute sayings, which is Santa's little helper, Naughty or Nice, Ho Ho Ho, or Merry Christmas Mate. And that will make sense next month when we release our next mini kit, which is our Aussie Christmas mini kit. Okay, so let me show you what's in it. You've got the stamp, obviously. You've got this really cute kind of Nordic snowflakey pattern, which is cute, very Christmassy. You have got your mini cut apart sheet, and these actually work with our dies. So let me just show you very quickly. You've got your number 4 die here that side works with, and your number 5 die works with this side. Of course you can just cut them out with a trimmer if that's what you want to do, but they do work with the dies if you've invested in the dies. And there are all these cute little Christmas themed papers to match this collection. Just show them all, and it's this kind of reds and this beautiful light blue, which is really cute. So I've got a lot of shine in here today. And of course you get the little inspiration book, which has got so many cute ideas of how to use this stamp. Look at the cuties. So this kit is just $27. This is an add-on stamp. I'm going to tell you about the add-ons in just one second and explain all of that to you. So that's the little mini book included in the kit. So this is the stamp in the kit. We have a bonus add-on die this month, and a bonus add-on stamp and a bonus add-on die. So this is our bonus add-on stamp. It's called Oh Christmas Tree. Very cute little stamp, and this will also be an add-on for next month's kit as well, for our next month's Aussie Christmas Tree mini kit. So cute sayings on there: Oh Christmas Tree, to be jolly, fa la 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 la, Christmas is in the air, rocking around the Christmas tree. So cute little Christmas stamp. Oh, and of course 'tis the season, and you can buy the matching die for that. You can also add on the matching die for the Naughty or Nice stamp. And then this is a die says Merry Christmas, and that is the add-on die which we're releasing for this month. And you can see here, this is what that Merry Christmas die looks like. It is beautiful die and can be used for all sorts of Christmas cards, not just your stamp and colour ones. So there's the cute little guys. I love, love, love these cute little elves. And Santa riding the reindeer. Really cute. Dear Santa, I can explain. Very cute little stamp. So this kit is available now to order. It's $27. It's on our website, and we hope you like it as much as we do. Some of our favourite cutest little Christmas stamps we've done. Bye.